guys? Today I will be showing you stuff in my collection. Okay guys, so basically I have a lot of stuff. So you could tell me, do all your World War II stuff, do all your 30s and 40s stuff, I don't know, stuff about John F. Kennedy. Do something about, I forgot what all those names are. Do something about Santa. Talk about your tiki mask or your clown pictures or presidents. But no, I'm going to be showing you what am I showing? Let me figure out something. Oh yeah, my hair dryer and my curler. Yeah. So let me just reach up here. Let me just take a while, guys. Okay, here we go. I only have 2 things. This will be a short video. So here's the hair curler. And that's the name, electric hair curler. This is $1.99. Do you see that price? Right there, $1.99 in 1955, I think this is. So basically, this is original packaging from the 50s. Sorry about my shadow. And I'll show you the back. Yeah, I got a bit of water damage because it was in my nana's basement and it was her mom's. Yeah, so these are older than my nana. So you see that's wood. This isn't like plastic, that's wood. And here's the plug. And maybe after I might try plugging this stuff in. It might start a fire, but at least I got it on camera. Okay, and then we could do that. I'm not gonna use it, of course. That would be death-defying. That'd be basically saying, oh, I'm gonna die today. What does that say? Flip. So let me go back with you. Okay, also right here are the different ends to it. I think this is a stand for it or something, and then the different tips on it. It's like a moon shape. And then, yeah. So I will show you the hair thing. Okay. Now I have the stand to a hair dryer from also the 1950s. And it's basically what you think. So right here is the on and off button and hot and cold. Of course, I wouldn't turn it to hot because, you know, my house and everything, it might explode. So there's a little hole there that you can stick it on there. And it'll be like that. Okay, it's time to plug it in. Okay, so I'm going to take this over here. Wait, it'll take a while. Okay, wait a second. Okay, so I'm near my charger. See this? That's very old. So basically, I'm writing a death note. Okay, I have the thing right here. I'm about to plug it in. There might be some sparks, but trust the process. Don't trust the process, and don't do this at home. Oh, I just put it in. Okay, we have the thing. It's on cold right now. I'm gonna hit the on button. There's actually a lot of hair. Oh, I just got some dust up my nose. Interesting. Okay. And now it's time for the hair curler. And this probably will kill me. If not kill me, burn my house down. Everybody is like having fun down there, and then they see a fire coming from my thing. And then, yeah. But I'm doing it for the video. 10-year-old says that. Realizes that he will probably burn down his house. So it's like the same plug-in as the other one right there. A bit different, but looks the same. So here we got the thing. Oh gosh. Please don't burn my house down. Please don't burn my house down. Wait. Okay. Let's go. I plugged it in. Oh, not fully. Looks like it's broken. Okay, this one's broken. But at least the other one is still working after sitting in my Nana's basement for the last 30 years. Kidding. Probably only like 10 years. But, okay. Well, that's me showing you all my 50s stuff. So, bye.